Good evening, traders. Now, American market is opening. I'm live recording to show you how to take the trade. And these are the red color lines or the previous, based on the previous day close, 0.26 percentage level. And this is 0.61 percentage level. So, anytime the market is going to open. I think it has opened. You can see a first candle over here, first 5-minute candle. So it is opening below the median line. This is the median line. Median line means the previous day, 26.61, and these are the two boundaries. In between it is opening. So this is the first 5-minute candle running now. What we need to do is first 5-minute candle, we need to take a, as per the rule, high and low of the first 5-minute candle. Let it close. So I'm marking the high of the candle. Temporarily, I'm marking the high of the candle. And I am picking up the tool and also protractor. Let me take out the protractor. Copy it. Then I'll come back. I'm pasting on here the protractor just as a guideline. This is the first 5-minute high and first 5-minute low. We need to wait for still 2 minutes are there. 2.45 minutes are there. The first candle is bearish. Everything is bearish. It is below the Keltner channel. It is a sell trade. If I place the protractor over here, the angle has come down. We need to, this is the break of the structure, and we need to see this is the first 5-minute candle. Let us wait how it will proceed. It is a gap. Since it is a gap, if I see the gap, first 5-minute candle will be filling this gap from the close. That is first 5-minute candle for me. Let me change it to gap is the first 5-minute candle. So whatever the measurements I take is from here. I'll balance it out. Let it close. Then from here to here, I'll take the midpoint. So I need to pick up the tool from here to here. Let me go to the template. Mm-hmm. 50%. So I need to extend. It is coming down. So now the value reading is 564. 56 minutes are there. So let us check what is going to happen. I'm going to record for another 10 to 15 minutes for live market to show you how to take the trade. "30 seconds. So first 5-minute is closing almost. It seems this will be the low of the first 5-minute candle. So this is the median point. My protractor is here. Either you can do that. So it is below that. The trend is negative at present. At present, trend is negative. So any retest failure is a selling opportunity. Now it is becoming a green candle. Let us see what it does. Let me zoom out the protractor. So you need not bother actually. One minute. A visual order, I'm sending it to. If I send it back, I can see. So second candle is a green candle. The angle has already changed actually. It is below 0 degree. Okay. So you are not going to take any trade unless something solid reversal will come in the market. So it is, whatever it is now, it is a sell on rise market. So the boundary is here. It has broken down from this level. Okay, we'll see how the market will pan out. Immediately, people will do the mistake taking this. Now, at present, it is showing a bullish candle, reversal candle. Since it is a bearish move, I'm not going to sit on the CE trade, call option trade. You should never do that. This is a bearish move. This is a bearish move. In this bearish move, it is reversing. Candle is reversing. So we will wait for the retest failure. Now this candle is around 20 degree, 25 degree, 26.1. So if you calculate the close of the opening of the candle, this is the opening, 565.52. This is the opening of the candle. Traders do mistake by seeing immediately entering into the trade. You should consider where is the location of the trade. Location is down. This is trend structure is down. So there is a gap over here. It will try to fill the gap, and we need to see after moving to certain level here. If it starts turning around and if it starts rotating like this, then it will go down. For us, this is a bearish candle, bearish breakout. Entire candle is a bearish candle till here, and it is a retracement. Suppose if it wants to reverse, if it wants to go beyond this, it has to make another higher high candle and it has to move higher. So unless there is confirmation of the trade, you are not going to take the trade. So if you can see the angles over here, that is above 0 degree, and it is proceeding towards the 30 degree on the market. To enable this, there are levels from the previous day levels. These are the 0.26 resistance and 0.26 below lower level. So the price is in between, and the Keltner channel is, this is the 0.66 support for the present time, and the middle line and 0.66 resistance. Let me change the time frame to 1 minute. Let us check what is happening in the market. Suppose it has started its up move from here, reversal. On a 1 minute time frame, I'm checking it. See, this is the levels have come down according to the today's level by calculating this 0.66. And so now we need to see what the market will do. And this is a gap. So it is a resistance for it. You have to put a resistance over here. So you can clearly see from the central level, this is 0.66, a bearish candle close is forming on 1 minute time frame. The price is around 565.67. So I did take to the lower time frame to show you how the price will move. You can see the bearish candle coming over here. How many minutes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 5 minutes candle. This is the third 5-minute candle, means that is 15-minute candle. Market is slow. There is no momentum. So it is going sideways. So a bullish candle is forming there. We need to see only if it closes above this 0.65, the momentum will build in the market, and it will try to cross that level. Until and then, there is no. This is retesting that level, middle level. This is not the confirmation. It has to move above this level as a guideline, 0.66. It has to move. That is the 566.71. Then only it will become positive. Still, market is going sideways. Now it is, if I change the time frame to 5, it is a dozy type of candle. It's forming. So a structure has been formed over here. And if we measure this move from here, if it start moving, you can anticipate this much move in the downside move in the stock SPY indices. Okay, let me pick up the tool. You should prepare. So it is a bearish candle. You can take a sell call in this market because it is coming down. So you can anticipate the Google, not SPY, moving down to 562. The breakdown of this. So it is clear, trend is clear. So this is how you need to make your analysis and prepare your trade. How will you place the trade? This is the first 5-minute candle. This is the second 5-minute candle. Let me change it to, what are all the things I see here? If I change, see, the step is coming down. That means price is coming down. Price is breaking down. You can take an aggressive entry, but better not to take an aggressive entry. It should come below this. Of course, it is coming down. So what you can do is, as a step, see, it is not crossing the middle line. This is the middle line. Almost angle is changing over here. It is trying to retest that level. Again, it is making sometimes the market will be slow. Instantaneous trend will not come. It is forming a range. So since it is forming a range, so we have to let me take out this tool so that everything is clear. Now, suppose you are entering into the sell trade. If I am entering into the sell trade, my targets are fixed. First level is 563 and 561. These are my levels. So we need to see everything is below Keltner channel. So there is no momentum. Momentum is downward. So you cannot take you comfortably, you can be in a negative trade. But it is undergoing through sideways movement. But it will break down. Definitely it will break down the range and it will start moving towards the downside. So it is spending time. 10 minutes, 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes, this is the first 15 minutes starting, another 5 minutes. So it is undergoing through sideways movement. That we need to see why this type of behavior is done over here, because there is a support over here. Previous day levels are there. That's why market is undergoing through sideways movement. But it has put the leg down. Let me clear the drawings. After this, I will explain in our market how you could have taken. Our market was fast today, Nifty. Immediately you got a sell trade. It proceeded till 945 or 950. 945, a big down move had come and retracement. And then it came back till 10 a.m. and then it started reversal trade. It started. So when bias is negative, you should be on the sell trade only, because the price should be above the Keltner channel. You can see the Keltner channel angle is coming down. Angles are coming down. This is the angle, the price angle, 566 angle, it is coming down. It is the upper one and it's the lower boundary. When it is below 66.66 degree, that is clear that market has picked up momentum, that is a breakout. When there is a breakout, it is undergoing through sideways movement. So you can anticipate for a measured move from here to here. That is exactly 562. So that should be your target, and you should wait for that once you have entered into the trade. You can enter into the trade by keeping the stop loss of 566.03. You can enter into the trade. Still, it is very, very sideways, it is going through sideways. So you need to be careful because sometimes the market will move above and seek the liquidity and it will come down. So in this type of movement, this is a different type of movement. You need to be very patient enough to take the trade. Now, after this, one candle tried to make a pullback. Another candle is also trying to make a pullback. Once it starts moving below this median line, then trend will be confirmed. In case, what if you have taken the trade here by seeing the negativity, second candle negativity, and you have kept the stop loss over here? Are you getting feared? No, you should not get fear. This is your stop loss. Stop loss is Keltner Channel 0.66. Below 0.66 level is your stop loss. You are kept at 566.48. Now it is 565.09. The price to move down, it takes time. Sometimes it will be very quick. Sometimes it will not be very quick. You can see bearish movement in the market continuing. It is coming down. When the market is very slow, it becomes fearful. Sometimes you feel jittery. So only you should trade. My 500 trading strategy is only for the first hour of the trade. Finding the trend instantaneously, trading in that trend. We are not going to trade reversals or anything. Just that trade, you are going to finish it off. So once you get the measured move, like 562, what we have marked, 561, then if it is going to continue, you are going to trail your stop loss and hold the position. Let me check any other stock, what crude oil is doing. Let us see. Meanwhile, we have taken the trade. Once we have taken the trade, that is your stop loss. If it goes, let it go. You are not going to worry about it. Your bias is negative, right? Crude oil also started moving like this. It broke below and retested the Keltner Channel median line. That is 0.66. 0.66 is the momentum. This is my, already I have put the target, and even previous day, depending upon the previous day calculation, this is the 0.66 calculation. Let us see what the market is doing. It has come down. Can you see over here? This is how with conviction you can take the trade. So say for example, you have entered the trade around 565.92. Now it has given you $1. 567.12, 1.8 dollars you have got the money. And for this you get, if it comes to this, you will get a measured move. It should not be slow. It appears to be slow. It is because it is not coming with the straight angle. If I take the angle, the movement here is the 90 degree, and then it changed the degree and it started. You can see here, if I place this one, it has put like 0 degree. Again, it may go sideways or it can do like that. You can see with the angles, it is coming down. So it is not advancing from the 0 degree. I have taken the analogy of a person getting up. Here, the person who was standing up is lying down. It is the price is moving below, moved already below the 0 degree. So quite naturally, you can see it went up to, from here, this is the Keltner channel level. You can see it is coming down. what happened to crude oil? Meanwhile, we'll check the crude oil. Crude oil, such a lot of manipulation. It is coming down and it is been pushed up and it is moving along the 0.66 level. We need to see there was a level around, what was the time? Time was, this is 5 p.m. Around 5 p.m., the same level it had made, now it is coming down. SPY has broken down. You can clearly see, though it is a slow movement, it has broken down. Once it has moved down, you should stick on to your targets. This is how you have found the trend instantaneously from the first 5-minute candle. Let us go back to the crude oil. Meanwhile, we'll check what is happening. This is a type of, it goes up, it comes down. It is not a straightforward fall. So it is moving up, coming down. This type of movement is not good for option buying. Only this type of movement, like this, it is coming. So it has broken down the range. When it has broken down the range, it will move swiftly. Why this behavior, slow behavior, we need to check because it has already broken down this level. How many minutes have passed? 3, 5, 15, 15, 20, 25, and 30. So meanwhile, I'll explain the trade in our Nifty, how it has taken place because it will be slow. Let us go back to the Nifty. We'll come back again. I'll type in the Nifty 50 index today because I've changed for the US time. It will show in a different way. US timing. So this is the beginning of our trade. Okay. See, immediately market gapped up. This was the high of the previous day. It gapped up. Let me hide the indicators. Only Keltner I am putting. Levels, previous day levels. Let us not check there. See, this is the first candle. First 5-minute candle. There is no gap or anything. So immediately what I'm doing, the same procedure. I'm taking high and low of the candle and marking the balanced area. Balanced area. Let me paste my protractor over here on the balanced area. Here itself it has broken. See the difference between that Google. Google is struggling. It is coming back. There is a pin bar. It is not Google, SPY. Sorry, why I'm telling Google, I don't know. Here, instantaneously the market has moved so swiftly, you could have taken trade over here. It proceeded, and once you take the trade, that is a measured move. Measured move, what you can do is, you can pick up this tool, and this is 60 points. When you can anticipate for 60 points down in the market. So 1:2, when you get the measured move, see, you can see some sort of reversal came. Immediately, it did not react. First, it interacted with the median line, that is 20, and then it reacted back. It made an higher low. When it makes an higher low, then what you need to finish off your trade, close your trade. Once it is 1:2 itself, you need to measured move, you need to finish it off the trade. Around 9:45 itself, our trade was over. And again, it started moving higher. It trapped all the people. See, it made a double top over here. double top over here, it started selling off. The second round of selling came, but it did not come very swiftly. Then it started going sideways from the actually time is not showing because I cannot say the time. I've changed it to US New York time to record for the live market to show you people how to take the trade. Then it started coming down. So it made another low. At the time, when you take this trade, what you need to do is, what I do is I pick up the trade, pick up this tool. I'll see for 3 cycles. I would already told about 3 circles, 3 measured moves. So it is calculated to be 23,464. The market can do anything. It can come down or it can move. So it has made little bit more than that. It came down to 23,456. Same. You can see here the price action over here. Price action, when it came down, it tried to interact with the 0.66 angle level, and then it fell down. It made another attempt to move inside the same behavior. You can see it moved inside the median line. It tested here. It came down. It reacted. It made a lower low. At that time, you need to see for the RSI. If there is any RSI divergence in this, let us check whether there is a RSI divergence. Let me remove this indicator so that I can apply RSI relative strength. If I bring in, not able to pick up this tool. It has gone sideways, yes. Here you can see clearly price is making lower low and RSI is not making a lower low. It is a divergence over here and RSI started climbing above its moving average in this candle. So you can anticipate for a reversal in the market. You should finish off your trade here itself, in this candle itself. You should not wait for this move and this move. There is not much difference between them. Actually, if you would have taken a PE, you should close that. Once you close this and a CE trade came and actually it trapped all the people, it started moving. You can clearly see first it interacted with the 0.66. You need to carefully watch. And second, it made an attempt to interact with the median line. And third time, it was able to penetrate through this 0.6 and the momentum built up. From there, 23,530 to 23,608, around 70 points were up move was seen in the market. So let us go back. This is how you need to take the trade. Initially, PE trade you had got. Today, it was very choppy. It was two-way move in the market. So that's why you should have, once you take the trade, PE trade, immediately close the trade. And there was a trade here in the CE and here in the CV. But better not, once you have finished the trade in the morning, better not to take the trade. Otherwise, you are going to lose the money. See, the market in SPY, it had come to this level, 500, and it has made a low of 562. 62, some sort of rejection bar is coming. When this type of rejection bar is coming, you need to be, why it is behaving like that. You need to start thinking, why? There must be something. Why this rejection is coming? And also level is there. Our levels are there. We need to carefully watch. Sometimes what happens, the angles will turn. When it comes over here, angle will turn and the market will start reversing in the market. So when the Keltner channel is very far off in the 5-minute time frame, it might have approached near the price in 1-minute time frame. Let us check what it is doing. In 1-minute time frame, it is, see the behavior. So first, the price did not go inside. It came down. Again, it came down. There is a big pin bar on 1-minute time frame. It is not making any attempt over here. It made an attempt. Second time, it did not make an attempt to move inside the. So now it is continuing. Price is continuing. Let us go to the 5 minutes. Let us see. So immediately you should not take the trade. Some people try to trade that it is a pin bar. So they will try to enter into the market. Now let us put the RSI to cross check that. Whether any RSI oversold condition or RSI divergence. No. See, RSI is also wide apart from the its moving average. It needs time. It takes time. Even though if it is a measured move, if it approaches the measured move, it needs time. It may spend time. It may another 3-4 candles, it may go sideways. And so it is coming to the measured move. Well, let us check what the price action will be there. So we have taken the trade around 566. So now our profit is running from 566 to 562, around about $3 you have cashed in. So now you need to be careful because the market is approaching our measured move. Once it is approaching the measured move, you need to be careful. So the only way, because it is very far off from the 66.66, let me move this. It is a breakdown. Once it is a breakdown, you need to move the protractor down. Angle has come down. So suppose in this area, this is a level. So it has come down like this, anti-clockwise it has come down. Market will not go like continuously down. Here, if it holds this 0 degree around this level, we need to see. If it starts reversing, if it starts changing its angle, and in another 5 minutes or anything, 10 degree, some sort of reversal can come in the market around this area. So since we are approaching the measured move, you need to be careful. It can reverse like that also. So let us, I will take out this RSI because RSI is not showing anything. And let me enable this levels. Srinivas, he has coded for that. Whatever I asked for him, he has coded. So this indicator we will apply and see what are the levels. 60 from the previous day level. So it is 26.11 level is coming over here, around 560. We need to see whether the market will react around this area. This level is based on the today's price action. It has moved down. It is moving down. So this another level is previous day levels were around 550. So let us go to the daily time frame because we are approaching that level. Since we are approaching that level, and also before that I need to tell one clue for these people. See, it started with a big bar, that is a gap, and while ending also it will be a big bar. That is a common observation. When there is a wide range bar is coming in the market, at the end, near the measured move, you need to be very cautious. So better you book your profits because it has given you measured move. Almost it has given you measured move. Wait for one more candle. Well, see what that candle will do. Immediately you can close that. So it is moving down. It is near the 15 degree, 10 degree it is coming. So some sort of reversal candle is forming. Do not wait for it because market may go sideways before. It may go sideways, pull up, and then it may come down also. It has to change. Since it has to change the angle, it will go sideways. Let me remove the protractor so that you can see the price action over here. Still it has not stabilized because it is going down. It has broken below this candle. This candle low is 562.28 and this candle low is 562.12. Candle is not closed. We cannot decide on this candle, but the wide range bar at the end of all these candles ranges were narrow, and at last you are seeing a wide range bar that is a climactic bar. You need to be careful. So better to, once you get your measured move, better to exit the trade. This is how you can identify the trend. I have identified the trend with so many parameters. I saw the gap. I've made it as a first 5-minute gap candle as the first 5-minute candle. And I applied from the gap to this first 5-minute candle over here. And then I found out the balanced area. The two candles, it was confusing. Price action you should know. And it is below the Keltner channel. When the price is below the Keltner channel, you can immediately take the trade by placing the stop loss. Aggressive trade 566. You could have taken here itself 566.4. But we waited for the confirmation. So when we waited for the confirmation, we were able to take around 566. 566, it is continuing. 561.5, it is coming. Okay, let me take this tool and find out the levels for this. If I take the measured 3-cycle move from this area, I am getting these levels. So 561.08 to 561.32. So I'm getting these levels, and this is previous day. Previous day 26.1 level is there. That is corresponding to 30-degree angle. And this one will be corresponding to 60-degree angle. When I tweaked the Keltner channel to 0.66, that is 60-degree angle. When the price is below the 60-degree angle, that is a breakout. So it is still the market is moving down. So you could have trailed and you could have kept your kept your thing. So now it is approaching this level. You need to carefully watch what sort of price action it will. So immediately it cannot go and reverse. It has to turn the angles. Angle has to be changed. See, because the angle is coming, if you take it might be in a 60 or 70-degree angle, it is coming down. When it is coming down in this angle, so if it has to change the angle, it has to, price has to rotate. Price has to rotate like this. That means go sideways. And then it has to change the angle. So after such a fall, you can anticipate some sort of reversal in the market. Market may try to come to this level. You can watch on the live market how the price action will pan out, so that you will come to know. So this is how you need to take the trade. This is a very confirmed trade. Location is very good. You could you're very profitable. Yeah, I don't know about option market in the USA, but I'm showing the example how to take the trade. So let us check crude oil before closing. Crude oil futures. So it is moving down. Still it is moving down. It has come below this level. So RSI is also oversold. It is applying, going, it has broken down and it is below that. So you can expect some sort of still more correction in the crude oil. So this is how SPY, you have taken a very profitable trade. This is how you are taking the trade. Once you are in a negative trade, do not trade for then reversal pullbacks in the market. So reversal pullbacks will not, in an option trade, reversal pullbacks will not fetch you money because they will go sideways and the momentum candle will become very small. So there will not be any momentum. The option premiums will become choppy. One red candle, one green candle. It will be alternating with one red candle and one green candle. So you need to be careful because you cannot hold the position. This is how you need to finish off within an hour. I think if you see the market, US market opens around 9:30. So now the time is almost 10:20. 9:30, 10:20, almost an hour has passed. It is better. Finished. Finish of the trade. That's it. Okay, friends, thank you very much. I have explained you how to take the trade, how angles will help you. This is how you can find an instantaneously in the opening bell of the market, you can find the trend and you can be in a proper trend direction and your trade will be profitable within 1 hour. You are going to finish the trade within 1 hour and you are closing it. You need not sit throughout the day. And that will be a garbage actually. After 1 hour, there will not be any momentum. Market will go sideways. You can see on your own after seeing this video how it has panned out. Thank you very much, friends. Nannakshi Swami signing off.